A woman in her 40s from Bagot community in Darwin is the second person to die with COVID in the Territory.
I'd like to send my deepest condolences to her family, to the Bagot community, because we know that they will be hurting right now.
The woman had received 2 vaccine doses and didn't have the opportunity for a booster. She also had underlying health issues, and authorities don't want the woman's death to discourage people from getting the jab.
Vaccination is still our best defence. We will see, unfortunately, occasionally people who have been vaccinated who will succumb to this illness, but booster doses are that best extra defence.
There are now 32 people in Territory hospitals, none in intensive care. Across the Territory, 14 inmates and 6 staff at the Alice Springs Correctional Centre have the virus, and there were no new cases in Amungana. 2 cases have been reported in the remote community of Yuendamu, but authorities are optimistic about the situation.
I want to say thank you to those in Yuendamu who have gone out and gotten that first dose of vaccination. They are now at 81% first dose. This is a significant jump for Yuendamu.
Meanwhile, thousands of contact tracing text alerts will be sent out after a week's delay. People are allowed out and about, but there is still some hesitancy in the community. Businesses here at the markets, where it's normally bustling, have reported that it's gotten quieter every week, even after borders reopened.
I think people are worried about leaving the house, and you see it in the city as well. There's a lot less people around town.
I think a lot of people are just a bit worried because we don't know where it is anymore, because obviously the tracking and everything, by the time you know where it's happened, it's already happened.
For some businesses that rely on the markets, it is causing headaches, especially when it is already traditionally quieter this time of year.
80% of our business is with the markets. So hopefully with the dry season coming up, we can hopefully see, some improvement and, looking forward and moving out of this sort of grey cloud that we're under at the moment.
But some of those who were out and about aren't too concerned about the outbreak, as long as people follow the rules.
I think it should go back to a bit more normal, but also be quietly conscious and be safe when we can.
Not quite business as usual. Isaac Naruzi, ABC News.